Welcome to RedTeam Go. I'm George. We're going to look at the options for our project moving from pending. Our project has been completed, and if the owner accepts, we'll move into Will Start Soon. But if we are not chosen for this project, we can change the status to another option. We're going to the Project tab across the right side. We can search for our project with the search box. Clicking the three dots on the right side opens a drop-down. First, we could set this back to bidding to make changes or delete this bid. Projects can be moved between the bidding and pending statuses by the project manager. Or we have the option to change this project to not awarded. This saves the proposal in the event the owner comes back to us. We can duplicate this project to use the same information for another project, or if the owner has made revisions to the original project, we can create a revision. Both options open a pop-up to update and choose which information to add to the new project. For a revision, leave the project name the same and REV1 will be added to the end. Change project as needed and click Next. Add the new bid due dates. Choose which items to keep with the new project and click Next. Finally, verify or change the project location and click Create Revision or Create Duplicate. If the owner has accepted our proposal, we will complete the owner contract under the Commitments tab. First, we need to select any alternates, units, or phases accepted by the owner. Click on Alternates and a list with checkboxes appears. Check all alternates to include with the project. You'll see the contract amount change with each alternate selected. The units allows us to change the number of each unit available. The contract amount will change again. Finally, the phases are added. Now we're ready to select and edit the contract. From the drop-down, choose the contract form to use. If you have an AIA or Consensus Docs license, those forms will be available. If you have a custom contract, it will be listed in place of the default contract. Or you may only see the default contract as an option. Click on the form. Complete the information at the top of the contract and it will fill the appropriate fields in the form. Next, review the contract, especially the contract amount. We have the option to send this to the owner for review and make changes before finalizing the contract. Click Send and then the blue To box to add recipients. Click the hyperlink or add Select All. Recipients can be removed by clicking the X next to the name. The contract is in the attachment. Add a message in the text box and send the email. To make changes to the contract, we'll open the article by clicking Edit section above. This opens the text box. We can add items to the boxes or underlined areas in the article. We can add or remove text. And the text tools at the top will help you adjust the appearance. At the bottom, there are three choices. Update section saves changes. Restore default takes it back to the original text. And cancel edit will go back to the version before the box was opened. Once the contract changes have been made, we can sign and the owner will be able to log into their portal and digitally sign the contract. If completed through the system, the contract will be completed and stored in the project documents. If the owner sends a copy of the signed contract, you can sign it, make a PDF, and import it into the project documents. Also, if the owner uses a contract outside of RedTeam, you will still need to confirm the contract amount in both documents is correct, sign the contract in RedTeam, go to Project Documents, Contracts, Owner Contract, and import the signed contract. This will now appear in hyperlinks for the owner contract. Confirm the dates and the signature boxes are completed for the contract and project documents, and we're ready to move forward. Go to the project dashboard and change the status from pending to Will Start Soon. For more information on statuses or the owner contract and answers to all RedTeam Go questions, go to the Profile tab in the right corner and click Learning Center from the drop-down. Thank you.